Ako sa advanced screening ng TXT Hyperfocus in 4DX Cinema, and let me share you my honest experience about it. I'm a casual listener of TXT, and in fairness, kilala ko sila one by one. TXT Hyperfocus is supposed to be a VR concert, but since kulang tayo sa facilities and equipment for that, 4DX is the next best way to experience it here in the Philippines. The experience was super interesting as a concert goer, ang saya at kakaibang way ito to enjoy concert in cinemas. Watching the whole show, ang ganda. Grabe, aside from the boys' visuals, ang ganda ng mga visual effects sa show. Like the background, the transition, yung mga pa-effects or something. And then, yung mga close-up shots, talagang mapapatili ka. And ang ganda din ng performance ng TXT sa show na to. And the 4DX chair experience, grabe, literal na mararamdaman mo yung kaldag nila. Habang kumakaldag yung TXT, kumakaldag din yung upuan mo. For me, the downside lang talaga is hindi siya VR how I wish it was VR, or at least man lang 3D gamit 3D glasses. Na-try ko na kasi yung VR sa Beavers in Manila and grabe, super lapit. Parang mahawakan ko na yung BTS watching BTS in VR. Pero sana talaga kahit 3D man lang using 3D glasses, kasi na-try ko na ding mag 3D glasses in cinema sa IMAX sa Davao and it was closer to VR, magandang experience din yon. Pero dito sa TXT Hyperfocus 4DX, I was really expecting na may 3D glasses, pero wala po. Very flat lang. The usual how you watch movies in cinemas, pero may mga 4DX chairs, lights, wind, water effects, mga ganon, and maaamoy mo kung ano yung nakikita mo sa TXT performance. Which is also a very fun experience. And bumabawi naman sa quality ng screen and solid din yung Dolby surround sound. But yeah, kulang talaga kasi hindi siya VR. Sayang yung mga close-up shot. Ini-imagine ko wearing the VR glasses. Talagang feeling ko kalips to lips mo na siguro yung mga bias niya sa TXT. The way they filmed and shot the whole performance on this concert was really meant for VR, very close up. Pero for sure, Moas mag-e-enjoy kayo dito. Again, I really wish it was VR kasi siguro kung VR yun, kung kinikilig na ako ng time na yun, siguro mababaliw ako sa kilig pag VR yun. Imagine nakita mo yung abs ni Taehyung in VR. Show lasted for like 45 minutes. Medyo bitin, but they performed songs like Sugar Rush Ride, Deja Vu, plus 4 more songs. And kasama mo din na mapapanood yung behind the scenes kung paano nila shoot itong VR experience na to or itong concert na to. For MOAs who are really hardcore fans, for sure, mag-e-enjoy pa rin kayo. Sulitin nyo na yung kaldag ng TXT to the max level. Super enjoy din naman yung mga pa-effects ng 4DX from the chairs, wind, mga konting water splash, yung paamoy sa buong cinema, may pakidlat pa doon. During the advanced screening, walang photo cards or any memorabilia na binigay sa amin. Pero starting January 15, kapag manonood kayo during the regular shows, makakuha kayo ng I think random photo card, 1 out of the 5 members. And of course, the more you watch, the closer you are completing all the members' photo cards. And buti na lang din, may mga MOAs na umattend and nagbigay sila ng mga freebies. And I also met some of them saying that they would still want to watch it again during the regular screening and to get that photo cards. And by the way, guys, TXT Hyperfocus is exclusively showing in Ayala Malls with 4DX Cinemas in Greenbelt, UP Town Center, and Bonifacio High Street in BGC until January 21 only. Sa mga MOAs out there, what are your thoughts about the TXT Hyperfocus 4DX experience? Manonood ba kayo? I would really love to read them in the comments.